Hey everyone, I'm talking to you today from the car, and it's a nasty day out. So you're going to hear rain and windshield wipers and everything else. But I want to talk to you about the real estate market in Florida and something that I've been watching quite a bit lately. And there's a lot of talk about price values of homes coming down all over the United States. And there's also the thought that Florida is going to be exempt from those factors because so many people are moving to Florida still. And yes, that is the case. Florida is still a destination for people to head to for various reasons. But what I am seeing, because I do have access to the multiple listing service in certain areas of Florida, I am seeing price reductions right now. And it's common. Sometimes I get alerts and it's price reduced, price reduced, price reduced. So that's the first thing that we see that happening. The second factor that's going to drive home prices down is I'm also seeing people complain about their homeowners insurance increasing significantly. I'm a member of quite a few area Facebook groups in Florida, and people are saying their homeowners insurance has tripled, quadrupled in just the past year. So when those things are occurring, it makes owning a home more expensive. And if anyone shopping for a home in Florida does their due diligence and they get some quotes from their real estate agent, their insurance agent, on what it would cost for homeowners insurance for a particular home, they're going to realize that it's going to be more expensive to own a home in Florida now versus what it was, say, a year ago. Another factor here, aside from just general homeowners insurance, is flood insurance. So with the recent hurricane that had occurred, FEMA came out and redrew the lines, and now more homes are considered to be in a flood zone today versus yesterday. And flood insurance is not cheap. So now we're layering even more cost to own a home in certain parts of Florida. This isn't the case everywhere, but especially as you get near coastal areas, it's definitely the case. Another thing is, if you're interested in buying maybe a condo in Florida, there are some other factors here, which I want to do another condo video that'll just go into deeper discussion on it. But a lot of the condo associations have deferred maintenance that they have not been keeping up on, and people that are condo owners are getting notices that they have to provide a supplement to their HOA to help with repairs, or to at least get the account to have the appropriate reserves that it needs, or the HOA is going up. Again, making owning a home or a condo in Florida more expensive. So the other thing about condos is a lot of the condos were purchased by people who were looking to do short-term rentals, Airbnb, for example. And one of the things with condos when you're financing them is, if a condo complex has too many of the condos owned by people who are renting them out, then that condo complex is considered to be non-warrantable, which means it's not eligible for FHA financing, for example. And the type of loan you'd need to get on that is one that is provided by lenders that they're non-QM lenders, and the rates are higher, which means, again, it's going to cost more, higher monthly payment, costs more to own a condo if it's a non-warrantable condo. Again, another video that'll go into greater detail on condos. So I see all these things occurring, and the only thing missing right now from truly sending the values south is the excess inventory. It's starting to happen, but it's not at the levels yet where it's going to truly push prices down, but that will happen. And as their homeowners insurance renewals come up and all these other factors occur, you're gonna see more homes come on the market, and then I think we're gonna get the supply needed to drive the prices down. And lastly, we talked for a moment about short-term rentals or Airbnb homes. A lot of people bought homes or condos in Florida to do that over the last 3 years, and apparently the Airbnb rates or rentals are way down. I heard 65% reduction in Airbnb rentals, which it could mean that the people that purchase those homes may either begin to rent them out monthly, say to people that just want to live there all year, or put the homes on the market. So it's going to be interesting to watch. So this is what I'm seeing now. I'll do an update video in about another month or two. So if you want to see that, just hit the like button and subscribe so you can, the bell notification icon will let you know when that video comes out. And I'm going to have some statistics for you that I think will help paint a different picture on what's happening in Florida. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.